How to auto delete watch history on YouTube. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get started, first of all you need to log in into your YouTube account. Then you will tap on your profile icon on your bottom right corner. Then tap on settings icon on your top right corner. Then you are going to see manage all history after billing and payments. So just tap on it. Then it will land you here. So you will see auto delete. So just tap on it. Then you can select the duration which you want to auto delete. So I'm going to select after 3 months. So after 3 months, the video which have been watched after 3 months, they are going to be auto deleted. And then tap on next at the bottom right corner. Then confirm. Then preference saved, auto deleting your YouTube history older than 3 months. So just tap on got it. Then by doing so, you will be able to auto delete YouTube watch history. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching and have a nice time.